Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to create fillable forms in Microsoft Word step by step. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add text fields, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and more to make interactive forms that can be filled out digitally. Whether you're making a survey, job application, or registration form, this guide will help you create professional, user-friendly forms in just a few minutes. Here, I have draft one table and added sample data of job application form. Now we will add the text, drop-down and more fields. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable the Developer tab. Click on File, click Options. And customize ribbon. In the right panel, check Developer and click OK. Now, the Developer tab appears in the ribbon. This will show extra options which is needed to create fillable form. Step 2. Insert form fields. For full name, we will add plain text. Click where you want to add the plain text field. Under Developer, in Controls you will find all the field. For example, Rich Text Content Control, Plain Text, Checkbox Content Control, which will help you to add checkboxes in the field. Combo Box, Drop-down List, Date Picker and more. Here, I am choosing Plain Text Content Control. Now people can enter their name in text format. Click on Properties for customization. You can choose how field needs to be shown in the form. Click Show as drop-down and choose Start or End tag to add in field. Once done, click OK. We successfully customized the field. Now, I am mentioning the sample name ABC. Similarly, we will add the text field to email address and phone field. You can add rich text or plain text. For gender, we will add drop-down. Click on the field where you want to insert drop-down. Click Drop-down List Content Control from the menu. To add items to be displayed in the drop-down, click Properties from the menu bar. In drop-down list properties, you can add the options. Click Add and enter gender name. Similarly, you can add other options. Once done, click OK. Now, people can click on the drop-down and choose the gender. To the date of birth field, let's add date picker. Under Developer, choose Date Picker Content Control. Now, you can choose the date from drop-down. If you want to change the format, click Properties from the menu and change it. There are many date formats available. You can choose as per your preference. You set the timings for per country. Once done, click OK. You can also type it. For position applying for, I am adding drop-down. You can add field as per your preference. Similarly, for work experience, we will add drop-downs for 1 to 2 years, 0 to 1 year, and more. Once done, click OK. To upload resume, we will add field to insert resume link. Click Plain Text Content Control from the menu. So you can insert the resume link here. In Properties, mention the title as Paste Resume Link. Similarly, for signature we will add plain text and add title as Paste Signature Link. So, people can see the title and insert the link. Now, the form is ready. Before you save, clear all the sample data. To restrict the page, under Developer, click Restrict Editing from the menu. Under Editing Restrictions, tick Allow only this type of editing in the document. Below that, click on the drop-down and choose Filling in Forms. You can also set password for the file by clicking Yes. Start enforcing protection. Enter password and confirm it. Once done, click OK. The password has been set successfully. To remove the password, click Stop Protection at the bottom right. Finally, let's save the form. Click Save. You can choose the document type as per your preference. Click Save. We successfully saved the file. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment.